Today is Saturday, June 18th, 2022, and we have another update on the spread of monkeypox. Let us do a nation-by-nation breakdown of the new cases over the past few days. Spain reporting an additional 89 cases of the virus, bringing the total number in that country to 607. Spain is the first country to have more than 600 cases of the virus, and you can see here from this news report, the virus is already in 13 different parts of the country, and Madrid is the epicenter of Spain's outbreak. The United Kingdom reporting an additional 50 cases of the virus, bringing their total number to 574. We can see here 46 additional cases in England, 3 in Scotland, and 1 in Wales. So there are currently 550 confirmed cases in England, 16 in Scotland, 2 in Northern Ireland, 6 in Wales, for a total of 574 across all of those countries. Germany reporting an additional 33 cases, bringing the total number there to 338. This is across 11 federal states. Portugal reporting an additional 35 cases, bringing the total number in the country to 276. Again, most of the infections continue to be reported in Lisbon and Valle de Tejo. And that is the update from Portugal. France reporting an additional 58 cases, bringing the total number in France to 183, 129 of which are in Ile-de-France, which is the greater Paris area. Nonetheless, an additional 58 cases in France for a total of 183 in the country. Canada reporting additional 9 cases, bringing the total number there to 168. All 9 of those new cases are in Quebec, where the epicenter is Montreal. United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reporting additional 29 cases, bringing the total number in the country to 113. State by state, New York reported an additional 5 cases of the virus, bringing the total number in the state to 21, though I think that the CDC number is an undercount because the New York City Department of Health saying that there are 23 cases in the city, so I suspect that considering the Westchester County case and the Sullivan County case, there are 25 cases in the state of New York, so 23 cases in New York City, and 25 in the state, so there'd be an addition of 9 to bring a total of 25 cases in the state since our last update. In the state of California, additional 8 cases, bringing the total number there to 24. We can see here that San Diego County reporting their first 2 cases of the virus, and those people had traveled internationally. Similarly, in Sacramento County, reporting additional 2 cases of the virus, notably unrelated to the first known cases in Sacramento County and having a history of travel within the United States. They don't specifically say where in the U.S., but suggesting community spread of the virus within the country. Illinois reporting an additional 5 cases of the virus. This was before those additional 5 cases were announced, when it was just 10 total in the state. But nonetheless, the state noting that most of those cases are in the city of Chicago, 9 in Chicago, 1 in DuPage County. The location for the other 5 cases currently not known. Florida reporting 1 additional case of the virus, bringing their total number to 10, and that includes the first case of the virus in Orange County, which is home to the city of Orlando. So Florida at 10 cases. Massachusetts reporting 1 additional case, bringing the total number in that state to 7. And it is in an adult man that had recently traveled internationally. So Massachusetts, 7 cases. Colorado reported an additional case, bringing their total number to 5. No update about the specifics of that case, but nonetheless 5 cases in Colorado. The District of Columbia also reporting additional 2 cases over the past few days, bringing their total number to 5. Georgia reporting an additional case related to a convention in Chicago, and that brings the total number of cases in that state to 3. All of them appear to be in metropolitan Atlanta. So that is the number of cases there in the state of Georgia, now at 3. Texas also reported an additional case, bringing their total number to 2. Another state reporting an additional case was Oklahoma, bringing their total number as well to 2. The State Department of Health there, so the case was identified in central Oklahoma and that they had a history of international travel to countries where the virus has been identified. So Oklahoma now at 2 cases of the virus, and then 2 new states reporting their first cases of the virus. First off, the state of Oregon reporting their first case of what they have called HMPXV, human monkeypox. Interestingly, one of the first health department jurisdictions to label it like that. And we know that the World Health Organization is interested in changing the name of monkeypox. So Oregon there reporting their first confirmed case of the virus in an adult male who recently traveled to a community with confirmed cases. Not entirely clear what they mean by that. Potentially somewhere in the United States. Not clear. Also, Maryland reporting their first confirmed case of the virus in a person that lives in the National Capital Region. They made no notice about travel history or anything like that. So Maryland reporting their confirmed case of the virus in the National Capital Region. Italy reporting additional 23 cases, bringing their total number of cases to 71. And that is based off an update from the health minister, Giovanni Ressa. Switzerland reporting additional 3 cases, bringing their total number to 31 over the past few days. Switzerland not giving a geographic breakdown of those cases, but nonetheless 31 in Switzerland. Ireland reporting additional 4 cases of the virus, bringing their total number to 14. Again, not a lot of specifics about where exactly these cases are, but nonetheless 14 cases in Ireland. Austria reporting additional 7 cases, bringing their total number to 11. In terms of geographic breakdowns, we have 2 cases in Vienna, the capital, and 2 in Lower Austria, but as for the remaining 7 cases, which I'm assuming are these new 7 cases, they have not given a geographic breakdown. Brazil reporting additional 2 cases of the virus, including Rio Grande do Sul's second case, and we know that cases have been reported in Sao Paulo and in Rio de Janeiro, but nonetheless a total of 7 cases in Brazil, including Rio Grande do Sul's second case. Norway reporting an additional 2 cases, bringing the total number there to 4. The first case was in Oslo and the second was in Bergen, so these are the 3rd and 4th cases, and they're both in Oslo, and it is connected with international travel, and it appears to be that one of them was infected in Norway, presumably by the one that had traveled internationally. Norway, they're adding 2 cases for a total of 4. Chile reporting their first confirmed case of the virus in a person with a history of travel to Europe, and similarly Serbia reporting their first confirmed case, an imported case, it's related to international travel as well. So that is the update on Saturday, June 18th, 2022. We have a bunch of new cases, bringing the total number of confirmed cases worldwide to 2,670, with 58 suspected cases, for a total number of confirmed and suspected cases of 2,728. That is the update here on Saturday, June 18th, 2022, and we will continue to monitor the virus as it continues to spread, and as the World Health Organization continues to monitor this and assess risk to the general population. Thank you.